In this video tutorial, we are going to learn everything about how to create and edit a post with new WordPress editor. So let's get started. So, we are logged in our WordPress dashboard. From these left-hand side options, navigate on Post. Now the sub-options opened. So we are going to choose the second one, this Add New option. Click on it. So here it is showing you a welcome message. Close this up. So here we are. You can add your post title here. Write it up here. And below here, your blog content will come. Type up or paste it if you've already written it. So here we have our post content. You can do formatting also. Suppose you want to bold. Then select the text and click on this bold button. You can change block type or style from here. Then you can move a block up or down from here, like this. Also, if you want to insert a backlink, you can add it with this button. It will open up and ask for the URL you want to insert it. Click on this Apply button and it's inserted successfully, as you can see. So now you can also change the font size from here. You can select a normal, large, or huge font. And you can turn on Drop Cap option also for showing large initial letters. You can change the color setting from here, background color and text color. Then we can also make changes in Documents from this Documents tab here. It has options like tags, excerpt, discussion, etc. After completion, click on this Publish button. Set your visibility, time, and tags, and publish it. So here it is showing it's live, and you can view your post from here. And here it is, with all the formatting we have done. You can check the backlink from here. It's working just fine. And a little below, you can see your post is uncategorized. So we are done now with our post. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we're going to learn about how to create and edit content by using a powerful WordPress plugin. WordPress Classic Editor. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn everything about a powerful WordPress plugin, WordPress Classic Editor. We are going to explore step by step how to create and edit content using this awesome plugin. So let's get started. So here we are again, logged into our WordPress dashboard. Let's move to the Post option on the left side. Click on it. Here you can see all of your posts. Navigate on the one you want to edit, and below the editing options appeared. You can edit, trash, or view. Click on this Edit. It's loading your post for editing. It's our post, and on the right, you can see options to insert, tags, categories, permalink, etc. Click on it. You can directly make changes from here. Back to All Posts. Now let's go to Plugins, and from its sub-options, choose this Add New. From here, we can install plugins. Search for the Classic Editor, and here it shows the respective plugin by WordPress contributors and showing 5 million plus active installations. We will install it with this Install button here, and active this plugin by clicking here, so it's activated. Now back to Posts. Click on the Edit button below. So here we have our article for editing. You can notice the changed layout. There's no block option now. This classic editor is simple and easy to use. Go to this Add New. Write your new post title and post content. You can edit the content like this, right from this menu bar here. Bold, italics, And you can insert bullet points also from this option here. Insert multiple bullet points like this. Or you can give them numbers. Select them and click on this numbered points button. Change the orientation to center, left, right, from here only. Now to categorize this particular post. Go to the Categories option on the right and click on this Add New Category option. Insert your category name in this text box and click on this Add New Category button. So it's added, and you can select it from here only. After setting everything, publish this post from the Publish button. Here on top, it's showing your post is published. View it by clicking on this View Post option. So here it is, your post successfully published with all the formatting you've done. It will look something like this. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we're going to have a complete, detailed, and well-explained overview of the WordPress dashboard. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn everything about the WordPress dashboard. It is important to understand the functionality of all the options of the WP dashboard to use them effectively. So let's get started. So here, we have logged in our WordPress dashboard. This is also our account homepage. Here you can see all your details, like the number of posts, total comments, and a number of pages. It's running on 2019 theme. You can save drafts also with draft title and its content. Below, there are WordPress events and news. It's showing recent activity on the site here. Like recent comments, you can trash, edit, or approve it from here. So there are updates. And the next option is posts with its sub-options. Then media, and pages with their sub-options. Then comments, appearance, plugins, users, tools, and finally settings with their sub-options. You can also collapse this menu from this. Reopen it. On the top right, we have our account setting. You can edit your profile or log out from here. So that's pretty much everything with the dashboard. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn how to add categories and tags in your posts.